Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the font size in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page where we can access all the settings we have right here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started with changing the font size. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and open up the online store section right here. And after opening up the online store section, it's going to automatically open up this themes section where you can take a look at my theme that I have and I can get started with editing it. So guys, here is what we want to do. What I'm going to be doing is, as you can see right here on this official community Shopify page, we can see somebody already asked the question how to change the font size, and we have been given an answer by a Shopify partner that told us this is the code we need to use. Basically guys, if you want to change your font size, this is the code that you want to add in your theme CSS option. So what we're going to do is click the three dots right here. After going to the three dots next to our theme, we can see that one of the options called edit code. We're going to click edit code. This is now going to open up this new page where we can get started with editing our code, and as you can see here we have multiple code options we can access. And if you open up your assets right here, you can take a look at your base CSS option and theme CSS and so on. If you cannot find it, you can filter your files right here and search for what you're looking for. Let's go ahead and search for themes. And as you can see guys, here is now my theme.liquid option, or you can even edit your theme editor, doesn't matter. You can open up theme liquid, and this is where you want to paste this code. So paste this code next to your text that you want to use, change the font size to whatever you want to use, and you can even change the font family. And after pasting it to your theme liquid option right here, you can save it right here in the upper right corner and apply it to your text, and this is going to change the font size. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.